sexy new spoiler. I mean, you're gonna think, why has it got a cone and why has it got the exhaust sitting on it? Well, this is my new exhaust system, the catback, Remus catback. It's meant to be for the 135i, but anyway, this is my new spoiler that I got with it. It was on the 135i that I got the exhaust system off. So these end bits here are a bit bent upwards from when they tried to pull it out when they tried to pull it off the last car. So what I've done is I've used it just to put some weight on the corners, so then it bends back a little bit so it fits on the car again. So yeah, I'm just using these football cones just to bend it back a bit. So first I'm going to clean the car, get all that prepped, because I've got, well, you can see how dirty it is. Got all that crap all over it, so I'm going to clean that up first. And then I will show you what I'm going to do with the spoiler. Right, so I don't know where I last left off here, but I've got to take all this off, which is old sticky tape from, I don't know if you can see that, old sticky tape from the last car. So yeah, I'm actually doing this by hand, literally just trying to peel it off, because I feel like if I do it like this then I won't scratch the other side or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to get on with doing that, see in a bit. Right, so this is where I'm at. I've now tried to peel off most of it. You can see there's still some of it there, but I'm not really bothered because I'm putting sticky tape over the top, and I'm literally melting the fingerprint off my thumb, which is great. But anyway, yeah, after all of that, it's taken me bloody ages to do that. Now I've done that, I can now go and fix on the new tape. So I'm gonna go and get that now and fix it on. Right, so I couldn't finish it the other day because I ran out of line, but now I'm about to just finish it off now. This is it at the moment. I tried to fit it the other day, like last week, and that's why there's a bit of crap still left there, but I'm just going to wipe that down because I don't really mind if it's left there, because it's going to get covered anyway. But yeah, here's the lip, still with all the sticky stuff on the back. thanks for watching. I know it's only a short one, but just wanted to show you pretty much me just fitting my spoiler, because I think it looks pretty good. I didn't think it would look that good, but it's actually come out really, really good, and I'm happy with that. But I will see you in the next one. Make sure you drop a like down below, and make sure you subscribe. I know this is really cringy, but I'm trying not to sound cringy. Luckily people are saying that I don't sound cringy like most YouTubers, but yeah, I'll rate that anyways. Cheers, right, thanks for watching, see you in a bit.